Where you're looking for a device that can take wherever you want and you can get access to all your games, where you're worried about the free stuff that will drop in for example if you online maybe, but you are far away from home and you can't play them. Well, today the Steam Deck is for the rescue and can speak how this awesome handheld device works and how it is more even superior to a gaming PC. So just stay tuned for the end of the video to see what is this awesome handle. So let's get right into it.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.
Hey, hello everyone, it's your boy Dan, and today we're back for another video. And today it's a bit different since we can speak about the Steam Deck. It's basically the handle that Valve's made. It's a handle gaming device. It acts as a PC. It has access to all the Steam games and is more superior to a gaming PC. It can be taken everywhere and just on a 7-inch screen. So let's speak about the specs. This Steam Deck has very impressive specs for a handle. I think it's the first of its kind. First of all, it has a 7-inch diagonal. You can see you're getting on 7-inch diagonal. Its graphics is 8 RDNA, so it's got pretty impressive graphics compared to the other handles dropping in. The memory is 16GB, but the storage is 64GB, so you can get many games like GTA 5 on this one. And don't forget, if you run out of memory, like for example I want to play RDR2 or Red Dead Redemption 2 on the Steam Deck, but I have 164 memory, what should I do? Well, the good news is that it can be connected to an external hard drive which can get up to 8TB. You can get all the games you want. It can also be connected to a keyboard and a mouse. So if I'm a PC gamer and I want to play some Steam Deck and I'm like far away from home, and just get my keyboard and mouse and just like play on it. It's as if an iPad, but it's a PC in the same time. And it can be taken everywhere. It has 2 to 8 hours of battery. That's pretty impressive. And of course it needs Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, but it should be stable or to have the best gaming experience. Now, just to make clear, they're not sponsoring the video, but it has many hype on internet, this device, and I was going to talk about it because, come on dude, it's the first of its kind to be a PC that can be held everywhere, and a gaming PC. So also it can be connected to a joystick. It can be, and it needs at least 45 USB type for charging, but of course the charger will come with what I call with the package when you order the Steam Deck. Its weight is roughly 669 grams. It's very light. Like it can even be held at the airport. You can just travel with a Steam Deck to anywhere in the world on a trip, and you can still have your gaming experience and catch up with the new updates on the game. Like I've been always, when I go far away from home or when I don't play on PS4, I come to the game like it's as if a storm happened. You don't know what the hell is happening now. But with the Steam Deck, wherever you go, just open it up and see, and also play and do everything with it. Now, let's speak why it is superior to a gaming PC. It's very superior because it can be held everywhere, and it has access to the Steam store. And you're asking me, okay, I have a gaming PC, for example, at my home, but I also want a Steam Deck, but I don't want to buy all these games. Like I have to buy, for example, $25 for GTA V and $45 for RDR2. I want the games already, because I already paid money for them on my games. What should I do? Well, basically, my friend, you enter the Steam store on the Steam Deck, and you enter the Steam application or the website, and you just log in into your Steam account, and when you log in, you'll have all your games ready for you to be played. It also could support online gaming. So if you're playing like me some Fortnite or Minecraft multiplayer, you can also just enter his game and you can just play with all your friends from the Steam Deck with like a phone mobile device. So it's a very impressive spec, and it has been dropping in the stack, I think like 16 June, and the stack is maybe July or June. Okay, I don't think I have that info. Let me just see. Yes, I think it's been released, or it's for pre-order. Yes, it's for pre-order, and it also let me see. But I like that because I just want to make sure that it will be on June 16th. It doesn't give any false information. So I'm just to make clear that they're not sponsoring the video. So it's not a video sponsored by Valve who made a Steam Deck. But if you see all the amount of hype this gaming handle is getting, it deserves the video. It deserves to be spoken about, and how it's the first of its kind. Like, it even got more hype than the PS5. Like yesterday I saw it got 200,000 searches. So if you don't unless you're under a rock, you don't know that Steam Deck is releasing soon. So one is the Steam Deck being released now. I can see that it can be released on June 16, I think. Let me see, it's coming out. Also, it began shipping in December 2021, so you will be able to get it in December of this year. And it's not very old, so just start saving up your money if you want a impressive gaming handle or able to get it from December. But the thing is that the price is not really. I can't see it right now, so it's not really released yet. It's a price, but I think like we can have some approximate numbers about the price of the Steam Deck. But it will begin shipping in December 2021, but it can be pre-ordered from the website in, I think, June 16. So it will be for what, 25,000? Oh, I don't know what's that. So let me see. Okay, so he don't have many prices on what will be what is worse, but approximately you can just find on Amazon and pre-order it from there. It's a really good site, a really good gaming device. If you don't want it, that's a problem, but I just want to sponsor it, or not sponsor it, to showcase it since it's all the hypes and why it's superior for the gaming PC. So basically that was the video. Made a bit of a small review on the Steam different specs and why it's more than a gaming PC. So just drop a like and subscribe if you love this specs and you're just hyped up for the Steam Deck, or you'll have 6 years of bad luck. I'm real sorry, but if you have, drop a like, and if you're not hyped, you have 6 years of bad luck. So just goodbye boys, peace, and I hope you enjoy the new gaming events. Well, the gaming world rule. Peace boys, peace.